I'm not sure what's going to be under the paint on this crank disc. There's evidence that this handle, this crank handle is chrome plated, and the J180 was chrome plated originally. But I'm not going to be able to go back and put chrome on this. It's just over the budget. Now if someone wants to go open up a GoFundMe, I'll be glad to get it chrome. Okay, well I've already scraped off most of the paint. I'm just going to wipe it down and wash it off with mineral spirits. So it does look like it was chrome plated at one time. You see along the edge here, the chrome plate. I'm not sure why it's missing on the face here. So I'm mixing up 10 quarts of the homemade recipe for rust removal. So for each quart I added 100 grams of citric acid and then 40 grams of Arm & Hammer washing soda. Now when you add the washing soda, it gives off a bunch of carbon dioxide, so you need to mix it in slowly. Here's the last little bit of washing soda. And then of course you want to add some dish detergent to act as a surfactant. But once again, for each liter of water you add 100 grams by weight of citric acid and then 40 grams by weight of Arm & Hammer washing soda. You can use baking soda also. It's a slightly different formula and I don't remember the numbers right now. I'm going to put this knob in. Like the speed control knob, I am not going to re-chrome this lift crank. I'm going to keep the existing patina, as a friend of mine calls it. I'll go ahead and paint this background red and then wipe off this clean to expose the metal, and then I'll clear coat the whole thing. The crank knob is pretty rusted and pitted. I'm going to buff it out a little bit and then I'll clear coat it. It's still pretty pitted, but at least it's cleaned up. That pretty much completes the crank disc. Thanks again for joining us for Yates American B244.